In this video, we've got a quadratic equation, but more than that, we've got mixture here of cosine x squareds and sine x's. So what I want to do is I want to use the identity cosine squared x plus sine squared x equal to 1. And that means, if I rearrange that red equation, it means I can have cosine squared x equals 1 minus sine squared x. So that first 2 cosine x becomes 2 times 1 minus sine squared x. The rest we're just going to keep the same. When we expand that bracket, we have 2 minus 2 sine squared x minus 5 sine x plus 1 equals 0. This is my quadratic equation. I want to start my quadratic equation with a positive rather than negative. So that's very simple. We can just add that to both sides. Add 5 sine x to both sides. We've got a 2 and a 1, so that's obviously 3. Let's take that away from both sides and make it equal to 0. Now it's just a matter of figuring out the quadratic. I'll see if it can factorise. I think if we make this positive 3 and this negative 1, we should have a factorisable. It factorises nicely. So the first thing we're going to do, let's just take that second bracket. Just something for you to be aware of. Sometimes, trying to solve this second bracket, it's not possible. This number here must always be between minus 1 and 1. So when we have anything above those bounds, that's not possible. The other bracket will give me sine x equal to a half when I make it equal to 0. And that one is one that I do know, pi over 6 and 5 pi over 6. So whenever you've got that mixture of cosines and sines, try and make it all, with the squares, try and make it all sine x squares or all cosine x. Try and factorise if you can. We're going to have a look at another one in the next video where you can't factorise it.